Electrohomeopathy is the future of medicine. Electrohomeopathy is the plant-oriented system of medicine that was discovered in early 19th century by Count Cesare Mattei in Bologna of Italy. Count Mattei stated that life is in the blood and lymph, while the disease is in their vitiation. Therefore, a disease can be evacuated by purification of those bodily fluids and only by medicine prepared from plants through a spagyric process. Because medicines prepared from chemical, virus, bacteria, toxic materials, and poison can induce drug effect or create a side effect. That is why electrohomeopathic remedies are prepared through the spagyric process, which has developed by Paracelsus and exists since last 500 years. It is a method of collecting a more potent therapeutic energy from plants through separation, purification, and recombination. Dr. Hahnemann was the founder of homeopathy, who was the first to implement the principle, law of similar. That means ailments are treated by minute doses of similar substances that in larger amounts would produce symptoms of the ailment. However, Count Mattei developed electrohomeopathy, further preparing multiple remedies made up from plants only, as opposed to application of single remedy made up from any kingdom. The German practitioner Theodor Krauss also made a notable contribution to electrohomeopathic medicine and further developed spagyric medicine after a death of Count Cesare Mattei in 1896. He expanded further by adding 22 more unique spagyric complex medicines in the system. Nowadays, electrohomeopathy is well known due to Krauss after the Count Mattei as a co-founder. Electrohomeopathy works on 4 fundamental scientific principles of nature. 1. Law of similar. According to law of similar, the disease is treated by the similar remedy. Lymph disease by lymph remedy, blood disease by blood remedy, and disease caused by both impurities of lymph and blood are treated by canceroso remedy. 2. Law of organopathy. Similia complexus curantur. The human body is a complex anatomical, physiological, and biological system composed of different organs. So, in order to treat such a complex system, a complex compound of various plants is required. Therefore, medicines made up from plants in the compound form can only confront the complex process of body disease. In short, this law states that disease reveals in complex symptoms. Thus, it can only be evacuated by complex remedies of similar nature. 3. Law of polarity, the law of opposite. The law of polarity is another universal law, and it states that everything has an opposite. Hot and cold, up and down, good and bad, positive and negative, left and right. Hence, according to this law, diseases are of positive and negative, respectively overactive and underactive. Thus, for positive disease, overactive, negative dose, diluted medicine, and for negative disease, underactive, positive dose, undiluted medicine. 4. Law of temperament. As of Count Cesare Mattei, any disequilibrium in lymph or blood produces 3 types of temperaments. A. Lymphatic, in which the lymph predominates, is lymphatic. B. Sanguine, in which blood predominates, is sanguine. And C. Mixed, in which both lymph and blood are vitiated in various degrees. Hence, the disease of diverse nature can be treated by removing the root cause by constitutional remedies according to the temperament of a patient. So why don't you study a unique spagyric medicine, an ancient natural system of healing that has been brought up to date using modern pharmaceutical methods of manufacture and safety standards? In our study courses, you will learn how to treat any disease using by plant remedies only, and also how to treat all diseases with just 60 remedies. In spagyric medicines, no animal, chemical, or poisonous minerals, as well as any unlimited dilution are used. Remarkably, you will get the quick result without any side effects.